Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode. Okay, so to get access into the one-handed mode we need to open up our settings first. Now simply scroll down until you find the advanced features, and in here we have one-handed mode. Normally it will be turned off, so we can turn it on right in here. Now it's turned off. And now to get access into that we have two options. So to get access into the one-handed mode we need to perform that kind of move. Sometimes it doesn't want to work, but it requires a few tries sometimes. Okay, now as you can see it worked, and now we are able to use one-handed mode. So everything works right now. We can also change right in here the reduce display size width. It can be gesture or the button. So now we need to simply double tap the home button to enable or disable the one-handed mode. And if you want to exit it, the one-handed mode, simply click on this area beside this small window. Just like that, and now we are again in the normal mode. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.